Alright, so we're going to show you how to fold a proper or B size properly. First thing you want to do is fold it in half this way. Make sure it's nice and neat. The edges are even. And go ahead and crease that. So again, just fold it in half. Then you're going to take the right side and fold it over itself and fold that in half. So you're exposing the page number. Make sure that that's even. Then you kind of have this accordion style, so it opens up like this, but it's still the same size as a regular sheet of paper. You're going to repeat that for the remaining sheets of your project. So I got this one. So mine has a total of 5. And then you're going to stack them in order. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then stack them all nice and neat. And then the last thing I'm going to do is put in 3 staples along the left edge. So right here, here, and here. So everything's together, and you can open up each sheet as needed.